Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to recover your Instagram account without access to your email. So if you've lost access to your email but still want to get back into your Instagram account, just follow along. First, open the Instagram app and then tap on the forgot password on the login screen. After that, enter your username, phone number, or the name associated with your account. If your account has a phone number linked to it, choose the option to receive a login code by SMS instead of email. Enter the verification code that Instagram sends to your phone and follow the instruction to reset your password. If you no longer have access to both your email and phone number, tap Can't Reset Your Password or Need More Help on the recovery screen. Instagram will then guide you through additional account recovery steps. Depending on your account, you may be asked to verify your identity or provide information about the account. Make sure to follow the instruction carefully and provide accurate details to improve your chances of recovering the account. If you're able to regain access, update your recovery email and phone number right away so it's easier to recover your account in the future. So that's how to recover an Instagram account without access to your email. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.